What if success wasn't just about talent or luck, but about training your mind to think differently? In this video, we're unveiling 5 science-backed habits that rewire your brain for clarity, confidence, and long-term success. Your brain doesn't always know the difference between reality and imagination. That's why top athletes visualize winning before they ever step onto the field. Start your mornings by picturing the exact life you want. Where are you? What are you doing? How does it feel? The more vivid, the better. You're not just dreaming, you're building neural pathways for success. Don't just say, I want to be successful. Say, I am the kind of person who follows through. I am the kind of person who takes care of their mind and money. Your brain begins to adapt to the identity you consistently reinforce. Success demands focus, but we're constantly overstimulated. Notifications, scrolling, noise. Try 1 hour a day with no distractions, no phone, no music, just thinking, planning, or being still. You'll be amazed how sharp your mind becomes when you quiet the noise. Writing is thinking. When you journal about your goals, your gratitude, or what held you back today, you create awareness. And awareness is the first step to rewiring old beliefs. Rewiring doesn't happen overnight, but when you train your brain to celebrate small wins, like finishing a task, saying no, or showing up on time, you begin to associate progress with pleasure, and success becomes who you are, not just something you chase. Your brain is your most powerful tool. These 5 habits aren't just hacks, they are a new operating system. Rewire your brain,